quiet back there today. If they get really rowdy back there, I might have you change it, but we'll see.
Okay.
Let's see. Welcome to the 186th District Court. Court is in session. This is cause number 2019 CR 10331, State of Texas versus Fernando Leal. We're here on a motion to revoke community supervision. We're conducting this hearing via video conference using the Zoom application. We're also using YouTube to live stream the proceedings to keep the hearing public. The time now is 10:50 a.m. on the 29th day of June 2021. These proceedings are official, they're on the record, and they're being recorded by the official court reporter, counsel, and all present are instructed to act as though you are in court, and all are instructed not to record the proceedings. And if I could have the attorneys make appearances, starting with the state of Texas, please.
Austin Stout for the state.
Michael Bellavo for Mr. Leal.
Sir, are you the same Fernando Leal who was placed on community supervision on March 6, 2020 for possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 from 1 to 4 grams? Is that you, sir?
Yes, sir.
And state, do we have an agreement?
We do, Your Honor. The agreement is to grant the state's motion to reform the judgment and sentence the defendant to 3 years in the Texas Department of Criminal Justice with credit for all time served in jail as well as at the state ISF facility. And the state's also agreed to withdraw the MTR in 2019 CR 13261 and recommend that that case be terminated unsatisfactorily.
Mr. Bellavo, is that your understanding of the agreement?
That is the agreement, Your Honor.
Mr. Leal, is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Leal, if I agree to this, I ask that you waive your right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Bellavo, do you agree with that as well?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Leal, I'm going to use a function of Zoom called share screen, and I'm going to show you a document, and it's called the defendant's consent to plea by video conference. And I'm scrolling down electronic signature. I'm using my cursor circle around. Is this your signature, sir?
Yes, sir.
This details for me your agreement with the state as far as punishment is concerned, and I'm sorry, getting a little bit late in the day. By signing this document, you're telling me you understand that normally we do these hearings live and in court, but that you are consenting to do this hearing by video conference. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes, sir.
Is that how you want to proceed?
Yes, sir.
Then I'm going to show you via share screen another document, and it is the actual motion to revoke. And are you familiar with this document?
Yes, sir.
Did you go over this with Mr. Bellavo?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand it?
Mm-hmm.
Is that a yes?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Mr. Bellavo, do we waive reading of the motion?
Yes, we do, Your Honor.
I'm going to get out of share screen. Mr. Leal, to the allegations listed on the motion that you violated conditions of community supervision, how do you plead true or not true?
True.
You understand, just by pleading true, I can find out those violations are true and revoke your community supervision.
Yes, sir.
Do you still wish to plead true?
Yes, sir.
I find the violations are true. I grant the state's motion. You're hereby revoked, sir. Mr. Bellavo, is there any legal reason as to why your client cannot be sentenced today?
No, Your Honor.
Being no legal reason, in accordance with the state, sir, when reform your sentence to 3 years in the Texas Department of Criminal Justice, and I will give you credit for time served. Sir, this is a revocation of your community supervision where you have waived your right to appeal. I'm making a certification of this for the record. I'll provide a copy of the certification to your attorney to provide to you. If there's nothing else from either side, good luck to you, Mr. Leal, and this matter is now concluded, and we are
Judge,
off the record. Go ahead, Mr. Bellavo.
yeah, he has 263 days on this case plus another 104 from ISF. I just want that, I hope that's the record reflects.
If he successfully completed the intermediate sanction facility, he'll get those days as credit as well. All right.